Meaning actually people, actually Jolo, I'm Jackline Ikang man Chaka Leb Acholi. And man again one segment me Kwan Leb Acholi. Ati line will be and Kenna again. Ramera's not on the line. She's waiting until we start having guests me look me take part of Acholi or Acholi culture. Um welcome back to the show. I took a couple of days rest. I'm trying to feel a little better. Slowly, I'm getting there. I'm not completely there yet, but I'm trying to get there. So, session mukara a couple of days ago. A bit of a tickle of mingani. Kinwo po kere local government centers in Torit, Southern Sudan. Ikara ma dong British or no Gingi Egyptian Gingi gonna take over Sudan. Yala giti a ruling Sudan. Give me the gonna pass rule for a lot. Iching Rodi Guinea is Southern Sudan kuja. A work po center net into a five or gonna a beach. Center net into a beach. Ah, actually, come on. So again. Our work at Kwan was gonna very quick actually. Chapter no to my gig. I think it was just about I don't know less than 10 pages, maybe 5 pages. Kitwa satani o ngala no kere. Satani a chelo no tie donga dupwi jomi o dupwi. One na ni jomi o dupwi jo lo lobo nyo lokai gini. Uh, Jone started off gigging jukuri ge nye kwaro ge jukuri ano atamune no gen jo mari eventually we found a jo mari give you gonna jo ma give you dire choke kom jo ni jo kom ni kwaro munu gonna munu jo pani kwara. Okay, gibi bino loro poma gibi bino gichen gibi bino kagera uri tugi kang tugi inget amen kena jukuri nyinga nyikwano and jopa dubui jomi lologo or ngena lokai gibi bino choke kome karong kena wacha alung kena jopa nyikwaro so pa nyikwaro pa nyikwara gibi no yeah. Okay, so again mainly. And then again, nakin gibino gigina. Kama pat. Nakin giti center one. LGC center one or no. A road to gina be better. I believe Ochage gina road lobai road vuri kinga nga gine. Okay. Kadong center two obi better magui. Okay. Magui kuja gina obero dharma pol. I'm gonna take leadership muno. Okay. Lakino chaga donga kong o chaga ge let me see if I can recall. Akwana neno ngagi magitin power kanye. Dana ne duong o chaga ge gina kasiva ge kongo chaga chenga nyura. Ge kwanya uchinga nyura ge kasiba ge take power. Ka dogoto dana mo kena mo ge bin in line. Wabi no one gena ge. Sabrina do ge kilo power. Okay. Dana ma do umagwi. Ge take turns up until 1999. While no one South Sudan get peace talk. Me gonna do the referendum for independence. Yala wadak gina. He sent a three mununong to read chief obichal kerne in 1948 muno bedo Mr. Peter Icaro. Tell me if I'm saying that correctly, William. Nini. Peter Quaro, 1948. Then a local government center for Kiyala. Kiyala Obedo Loturu Mohammed Morum. Okay. Chaka Bero Bene, 1948. Paul Dano Bero elected, well appointed by 1948. Lakindong Gine Saturnino doesn't go into detail explaining who gonna give it how long. Although you're gonna win again for those extra centers 3, 4, 5. Focus pa la Georgia better on Magui. Wange my bed cheap gina better kala Magui nyo gonna kuja. Magui ma gonna cover most of Acholi land district to gina. Mini district na. Lakin Torit dong, a new dong, Torit Center 3 ni. Johnny got a chill mo Chaka bit chief, he chiefdom, 1948. Though 1948 Center 4, Kiyala, who bit on a chill, Loturu Mohammed Morome. Kanong lastly, the last center, LGC, is Imajek. What did I get the right? Oh, my bad. Obero La Ponya mi Ikotos. Okay, so I get Gumunu do me a real. Mana teacher do me a deck or chapter 3. Okay, tier only 10 pages. Gina lobo lokminga, Jami ma poko actually gi kom dana mokene. Okay, I was hoping to read it right away the next day, but I wasn't able to. So please bear with me. I'm gonna try to read all 10 pages. My cover, no, Joey Mafua Chogicom, Jomo Kene. What is included in this section is nga, look me twitch, Kimu Chwea, Chuli Kere, Leb Acholi, Nying Acholi Guinea, Chick Quaro, We Pacholi Guinea, Rook Gideo Pacholi, Dwa, Kinwa Chuli Dwaro Kere, we're going hunting. Gero Ikang, Kinwa Chuli Gero Gang Itugi, Otugu Palotino, Ka Anano, Kinwa Achulgi Jolo Dano Kere, Ka Dogoto Purporo, Achulgi Purporo Nini, practice Sugar Benini Kimi Purporo. Yala Lotino Kich Kwa Iwang O, so basically explaining how Lotini get Kwa Iwang O, Machon, even now, Kapuri Dana for Gore Iwang O. And then chapter 2. So Cherokee Dongi Dugo, me and when my lobo lominga, lobo actually Sudan. Okay, so Racharong Kwanonga, Kinma Saturnino, Onyalocha, Jami Mapo actually Kikum Dan Mokene from Wargana Jaka page, Pierre Dekwa Bongan. Okay, the joining on it. Luak mi acholi ngeo poho anga ma Latin acholi, gi anga ma Latin acholi ko, ma pe Latin acholi. Minge ma be ka ngat money Latin acholi nyo pe Latin acholi. Ti jami angwen man nyuru kidman. Chwech. Rubanga ochwe dana mi acholi manen mapat. Chut ki kom dano mukene. Wie, bo tiene, tut wang. It take a chill, gi wood mere. So those are the things that you can see to distinction. Chule gi kumdana mokenene. It were pohogenini. He doesn't go into detail exactly. Those are the things you look at if you want to tell Acholi from other people. Like he doesn't really go into detail. We Acholi ne very ni mula nana ne. Tiana Choli ne boro ne ero very ni king ni muna Choli. Tut wang. Wang Acholi moti modela. Moti matu. Go yeah. He doesn't go into detail. Yala, kid actually work it. These are like biometrics, like behavioral patterns. Okay. But he doesn't go into details, just one sentence. Mitwich, actually. Okay, drop comments. Itamne actually gimana nenchal nini. Bima lo kidat para ki brother para mi ja wajiringa. Pian min give me a mail. Ni o mail bene ki nani ngere ni muno mail. On ta ngere ni muno mail. Ni they look a certain way. Kono gi check, kono gi kwara, kono gi bere ni ni itwere neno mail ki kuma jomo ko kuma chuli mo kono ngere muno mail. I can't tell the difference. Kind of actually. Like, I can't tell what kind of actually that person is. So how do you tell? More boja, more chira. Maybe your mail get checked to me based on just nano jug, and then maybe again on that side of the family, get check manok. Maybe Jomi your mail check, huh? Joe Patanga, you can't tell. Or Joe me Pajok, you can't tell. Dan we take it na tigi. Neno tigi ne pat. Even the family child, dan we nen pat. How can you tell? Kaya na twera tako. Joe Bob in it. How do you know ngamoti o ngami bo? Gibora. Hmm? How do you tell? Anyoko, we'll drop comments too under this video. Okay? Ko chao lominga lep chawning on it. It's only like 2 sentences. Chawning on lep Latin actually ka logo lep mokene. Mapat chalo lep Arab nyo lep mono. Lop makare kari wakogi te lebe. Tie mapat ki lop ma kari wakogi te lep kaka mokene. Mil la porne aye tie kidman. It let me actually S, the letter S, pere. Katie log mo ileb mo kene. Marcha gi S, chi, I winyo actually lungo S ni, ch. See, do you see like ch sound? Okay? Like school, the one in school. Santino, the one in Chantino. Well, the one in Santino, but what is he? Chantino, Chukul. Okay. Mi ario o B. Ningo, Gintie ki lep achiel magilungo Leb Acholi. So he's not really elaborating too much. Not even lungo Leb Acholi again. There's some differences in letters. Mokope de Acholi. So we may not pronounce Gawing like Jomo Kennedy. Yeah, like I'm lungo Leb Arabnyo, lungo Leb Mono. Even in Acholi better part. There's a difference. What do you guys think? We'll drop comment at the video in it. Ana lungo Leb Mono. So utang na Acholi para part. Ki ngamo ka inyo ni nga lungo Leb Arab. Acholi tu ne panini. Is it tele pikit magilo get lab get dual and manok? Like Joe Arab. No, actually ne bene gichana like he use only reference kena kimagi as far as kena structure me language me Arabic so balo not balo but like influence the way they pronounce new speak actually just like a English. I don't think English has any kena influence on actually itself. What do you guys think? Drop comments. Yala coach on Nying. Nying cha mapo chagi. Oh. Chalo Ola, Okane, Okulu, or Okulu. I never heard that word before, name before. Odera, Odwa, Opio, Omun. Kanying mon, anyira mapol bene, chakagi, e, nyo a. Chalo Acuero, Alal, Achi, Achiro, Abalo, Amayo. I never heard of Amayo. Kunge bene cho mokoma nyingi chaka letter A would drop in the comments, in the comment section. And I knew for sure that my brother, Okumuligilo, Mike, nyinge gene, Akena, which starts with an A. Okay. And then I take your uncle Nying Ade, which also starts with an A. Okay. Who know any male names? Majarage or Nying Cha, Majarage A, will drop in the comments. What do you guys think? Ko tie kono ge anyira mo manyingi chage oh, which is very rare. I don't think tie. Oh, anyira manyingi chage oh. What is it? We'll drop in the comments. I'm trying to think of anyira manyingi chage oh. Okay, so just like some kind of joining on it. Chick quaro. La chocho joining on. Gin tie gi chick quaro ma quaho log me ta gi nyodo palotino. Chick man pe inongo por kakamo kene. Mi ario Dano Dujumi Acholi ki joma onyomo idok udi mi Acholi miero o look chick man la bongo akal mo. Okay, so inyom ka anyaka la rok mo nyom Acholi la cho Acholi miero gana after nyom dakane miero te chika Acholi dom yala lo tini tube lo raise kit chika Acholi. Okay. Customer become munu pa Acholi pian munu la cho matie gidong gana and no one lead family structure munu family lineage erne lo the tero chika Acholi pian la cho mi Acholi munu condition ero lakin ka anyaka Acholi onyo mi culture mo kena maybe ye gonna no conform to that culture, adapt to that culture. Lakin ka gonna onyomo cho mi Acholi mi rote chitike. Chalo ka la cho nyomo im lotini tu wang bibero jo kaka pa Acholi nyo gonna lotina Acholi. Not lotini pa dao kama dao bina ye kala dao na mi Acholi ko. Okay, drop your comments if you know experience it somewhere else and if it's different, if this belief still holds today. Okay. Where la church chatting about where ningo Dana mi Acholi obedo lo ma we mada Latina chuli neno gin ma itie ka timone kombedi chi en güero ni o güero en bene chut chut we mantin iwinyo kany i Sudan. Chi digi iwinyo bene wa Uganda, both jo Acholi Uganda. So I guess music culture too, I mean music is an easy influence. It spreads easily. A child, word of mouth, without the use of, with use of technology now. But before iwinyo ni we mulo wa wero gini di Acholi South Sudan, men lotia we ne di Acholi Uganda. Man may get technology or meta. When we way across borders, we Acholi Guinea or Maro. That doesn't matter. Kind of like go to me Uganda, will I go to me Sudan, will South Sudan, or Maro way now. Okay? Ko joining on Ruke Dale. Okay. A second, please. Okay, excuse me. Okay, so joining on Ruke Dale. Actually, the way they dress. Okay, joining on. Acholi ye dano maloyo gi deo duchu Equatoria. Dano mi acholi pe maro chilo nyo chamo choma pe ochek. Nyo chamo gin achiel nino duchu. Gin tie ki miel maparapat kit man. So it's just the custom, not, the way you dress, custom. Okay? Gin tie gi miel ma parapat kidman la raga raga otole bola dingi dingi lokeme adungo apiri gigoyo longo. What is longo? Can you guys drop comments? Ma pori muni pe okelo bongo. Lo Sudan duju onongo gin woro monero. Jo acholi ma pol bene onongo gi woro monero ento man pe tien lop ne gin onongo pe gi rup kwaro. Lotin acholi onongo tie gi rup kwaro kadi bed rup kwaro man dano duju pe rubu. Okay? So they like to walk naked before Munukelo Bonga, like him. It doesn't mean that they don't have stuff to wear. Or customary or traditional artifacts and stuff like that. So like church, Magilwani, Captain E.T.N. Grove, Munu like church monomo, I'm sure. Joining her, and oloho mabe to twali kom lok mi ru kwaro pa jo acholi. Ena wajuni, dana mi acholi nakajui wuro monero, chi gin onongo bongo, gin maro, no, gin onongo bongo, gin maro ruge ne mada. Dok bene pe gin mironi, chilo omake bongo megi. Ilobo pa choli lo diro moti rugu la diel la joa amu nyo la kwach. Ngad ma rugu la kwach ilobo chola ye obedo ruod kod. La kwach pe dano rugu ata. Okay. Chon ki chon jogi ya wobe ma ogele gin rugu la yamo kwe ka anyira kono woro monero. Excuse me. Okay, so anyira rugu bere monero gin rugu la yamo kwe. Chicken rugu tira ingudge. Mon rugu tira ingudge. Gin bere rugu ogul ichinge wa itienge. Enta tie anyira mokene kapira rugu tira nyo ogul chicken woro monero. Chikwaro pa choli oye ni latina nyaka moteri nyo opong ochako neno kwe pamon en tuero rugu tiro ipiere. Ka tiro mokene en chamo manongo matie iere inyim. No. Ka tiro mokene en chamo manongo tie liere inyim wek nyare. I didn't expect them to use this word. Yeah. Latina nyaka kadbed onyomo en podi mere rugu tiro ipiere ki kaliro tiro mukene wego nyare. Ento Latina nyaka man karubanga omia bore nyodo en dong rugu chip nyo channel chip. What is that? Chino chip ma ye rup mi woro manongo bene umu nyim dako duju. Can you guys comment? What is he talking about? Dako rugu mami umu kome ko nyome wala before nyome chippingo cheno chippingo ne manyuru woro. Anyways, Pogomon pa lochan gi mon pa lolonyo iloba chuli tie yot total. Iloba chuli inongo mon malo chan rugu chip keken ento mon pa lo lonyo rugu chip gi anyim ka rugu cheno gi ang'ech. What does that mean? Ka waneno mot ikwa pa jo acholi wanongo ni rugu chip gi cheno ogik woko ikin moha apar bungwen gi pier ang'wen wi apar bungwen gi pier ang'wen wabich. Dwan wacho ni man bene obedo moha ma bongi obedo ka donyo kwede mapol ilobo acholi. Kadi bet lotino anyira oweko rugu chip gi cheno ento wanongo ni cho moti gin podi obedo ka mere gi ruge la le wai moha apar bungwen gi pier abichiel wi apar bungwen gi pier abichiel wang'wen. Lodira chuli bene wacho ni chon gi chon lotino wuobe gi lotino anyira acholi gin maro lielo ye wigi. Ma inong'o latin awuobi lielo ye wiye ducu ka weko mukene matidi dong adunu ichwiny di wiye. Ento latin anyira gin lielo ye megi woko ducu. Latin awuobi nyo anyaka ma pe maro lielo ye wich tien mapol lwak tamo lop marach ikome. Gin wacho ni en obedo dano ma lachilo. Piman latin ma kidman nongo bedo tek mada ikin lowore. Kawaneno kon ikin mon ki cho machon pacholi wanongo ni mon gi cho machon gin nonongo maro nego lak gi maping nyo kero ta nyimge ka ipenyo dano magi ma maro nego lagini wu naho lak wu pi lok ang'o. Ng'at mo ma twero gamo bori la piny man peke. Do kon dano mokene wacho chuchu ni menu aye chik pa kwar mewa dok bene chon ki chon latin lacho ma pe onako te lake inongo nil lotina nyiro ducu pe miro man bene nyuro bot wani latina wubi ma kidman ka pe onako te lake en pe nongo dako to labot or obot. Interesting, right? Kabe, if you don't knock out your bottom teeth, you don't go dako. Kono tiro dale. So you have to like knock out your bottom teeth. What do you guys think? Drop your comments. What's happening to me? What the hell? Is it the video, guys? Okay, I don't know what's going on with the video. Getting blurry and blurry and blurry. Okay. I don't know if I'll finish it. I'm gonna read just to Gero Kigang. And then I'm gonna stop. One paragraph, Akwana Dora. Look me Dora, Kaborado. Okay? What you nero malo kan lo kwaro madoki komu tina wobe amira ni wanen unu bene lo kwaro madoki komu tina nyira gi mon ot. Nkar machon mon ot onongo gin tuju del dok mapin chi gin royo iwang bu man ngud goda ma yubo mabe ma oyubo mabe ma romo wang bu. Lodira chuli wachuni pemon keken ma tuju del dok ma ping ento cho bene tuju kwon eat. So their earlobes, all right? They pierce their ears. Cho tuju kwon eat. Mi acham ki a twitch ka giro a ear ogwel a ye nyo ma oyubo adunu gi dira ma dit atira ma cho raho I idge mi deo. Imwaka ma cha kala tin la cho pe rugo ogwel enongo pe wot padano. Kala tina nyaka bene ma pe otuju ire enongo pe nya padano. Ento lok mi tuju del dok ki it dong otiro gik waka ikin mwaka apar bongwen gi piera rio wi apar bongwen gi piera dek. Chung tuju del dok gi kwon it okelo del manyen bot Latina chuli wanongo ne. Latina nyira ochako kero ta nyimge gi pierge. Ta nengon TAR ta. Kai neno bene mot inongo ne del manyen omero tek chwiny bot Latina nyira pien duan wacho ni dako madit aye ma timo del man en kwanyo libira. Tuju del nyim Latin anyaka makun ilo kwere malo ka ngolo gi much nyo liedi. Chikwar pa chuli kwero ni Latin anyaka miero pe okoki ikar ma gitie ka kero deo ita nyim gi piere. So is this like general mutilation of Latina nyira? This was customary. Dano Acholi. We'll leave comment too. Why is this video looking weird? Okay. I think I bought up on my video is acting weird. Okay. Drop your comments, okay, guys? Thank you so much. Diga Chaka Kwan door. Okay. All right. Have a good night or good morning or good afternoon. Kamuti yena Jackline Ikang or caught my child Leb Acholi. La Marina Alice O'Cott pay on the line. You can find her on Facebook as Alice O'Cott. You can find me on Facebook as South Sudan. And then you can follow us on YouTube, Kanye, as Chaka Leb Acholi. And then also on Facebook as Chaka Leb Acholi. Please comment, like, share, leave your comments, subscribe to our YouTube page and follow our Facebook page. Also DM us if you have any comments or leave under this video. And also if you can join our show to talk about Acholi, also leave a message or DM us, okay? We thank you so much. Have a good night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.